Hello friends, this is Vidhika from iExamBA and in this video I am going to discuss how to prepare for IBPS SO Law Officer exam in 8 months. IBPS के कैलेंडर के हिसाब से इस साल स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर का एग्जाम दिसंबर या जनवरी में होने वाला है। देयरफॉर आपके पास अभी भी 8 मंथ्स हैं। जितना जल्दी आप प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे उतने ही ज़्यादा आप एग्जाम डे के लिए प्रिपेयर्ड और कॉन्फिडेंट फील करेंगे। द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर द एग्जाम, इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज आपको कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं चाहिए इस एग्जाम में अपीयर होने के लिए। द एज क्राइटेरिया इज 20 to 30 years. All you need to have is a bachelor degree in law and you should be enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of India. Now what is the scheme of the exam? एग्जाम में 3 phases हैं: preliminary exam, mains exam and interview. As you can see, prelim exam में 3 sections हैं: English language, reasoning, general awareness with special reference to banking industry. If you notice, there is no maths present over here. In every section there are 50 questions. English language has less weightage of 25 marks or reasoning or general awareness is of 50 marks each. The duration for each section is 40 minutes. Looking at the mains exam, there is only one section which is your professional knowledge, that is your legal knowledge. 60 questions of 60 marks and the duration of exam is 45 minutes. One important thing is that preliminary exam is only of qualifying nature and mains exam marks are going to be added to your final merit list. Therefore, जितना ज़्यादा आप मेंस एग्जाम में स्कोर करेंगे उतनी ज़्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी है आपकी फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट में सिलेक्ट होने की. Now, how to approach the syllabus? Whenever you start preparing for any exam, the first thing that you need to work on is your strategy. Think hard. What are your strong areas? What are your weak areas? What are the areas that you are not aware of? Then you plan, segregate those areas and plan how much time you need to devote, how you need to study, from where you need to study each of those sections, and manage time, devote time accordingly to every section that is required for the preparation of this exam. The exam can be divided into 4 parts. The first part being your professional knowledge, that is your legal knowledge. What syllabus is covered in this legal knowledge or in every other part of this exam, that is covered in detail in a separate video. उसे देखने पर आपको ये समझ आ जाएगा कि हर एक पार्ट में आपको क्या क्या पढ़ना है. यहाँ हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि आपको हर एक पार्ट को कैसे पढ़ना है. So, in professional knowledge, you need to have a strategy of a thorough reading. आपको अपने हर acts, there are certain acts जो बहुत अच्छे से आपको पता होंगे, आपने अपनी law degree में study किया होगा. For example, constitution, contract, IPC, CPC, evidence. You have to have a thorough reading and revision of those parts. Then there are certain acts which are banking related. For example, RBI Act, Banking Regulation Act, Banking Ombudsman Scheme, and various other acts. You have to go through these acts thoroughly so that you are well prepared for your mains exam. अपने मेंस एग्जाम की तैयारी आपको पहले से करके रखनी होगी. प्रीलिम्स के रिजल्ट के बाद there will be very less time, hardly 3 or 4 weeks for you to appear for your mains exam, and it will be very difficult to complete your revision in that time, let alone start a new preparation. इसलिए प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज आपको रेगुलर बेसिस पे स्टार्टिंग से पढ़ना होगा. The part 2 is general awareness. For this, I will suggest you to study weekly and monthly BPedia. iExamBA provides BPedias free of cost on their website. Therefore, go to iexamba.com. There you will find the weekly BPedias both in English and in Hindi and monthly BPedias. And they are well enough for your preparation for the exam. Now the third part of the exam is reasoning section. Here you need to have a concept clarity. All the concepts, all the topics that are related to reasoning, you should be clear with their concepts and practice a lot of questions. There are puzzles, there are seating arrangements. The more you practice these parts, coding, decodings, the more you will feel prepared for the exam. The fourth part is English, and for this I will suggest you to improve your reading and basic concepts. Read newspaper, read articles, read magazines. This will help you to comprehend, to analyze, clear your basic concepts of vocabulary, of verbs, of active passive voice, fill in the blanks, and in this way you can prepare well for your exam. Now, the first question comes to mind is where to start. In order to analyze, ये समझने के लिए कि आप कितना prepared हैं और आपको कितना आगे prepare करना चाहिए, attempt a lot of mock tests. Yes, you read it correct. All iExamB mock tests are free. Therefore, go to iexamb.com, attempt a mock test, analyze that mock test, and in this way, you will be able to see how much you are prepared and in which direction you need to prepare more. iExamB offers free mock tests for a lot of exams. You can appear for those mock tests and analyze your performance. Now, why attempting mock tests, why giving tests is important? Theory and practice should always be blended together. Therefore, while hard work and time management is required, the most important thing that is required before appearing for any exam is to revise those topics, those subjects on a regular basis. And the best way to revise all the topics is to practice a lot of questions, practice mock tests, practice questions, concept questions, and in this way you can feel prepared for the exam. I would also like to mention here that iExamB is successfully running RBI Legal, SEBI Legal and FCI Legal exam. To know more about the IBPS SO Law Officer exam, contact on the number mentioned on the screen. Also fill the Google form which is present in the description box. This will help us to get back to you and resolve your queries. In order to get all the information about government exams, the notifications, the upcoming government exams, subscribe to iExamB channel, click the bell icon, stay tuned to iExamB channel. Thank you.